The first step of the Knauf suspended sealing application is to mark the sealing heights on the application area. Knauf suspended sealing system's framing should be formed by Knauf hot-dip galvanized steel profiles. The sealing perimeter is to be formed by Knauf UD channels. The Knauf hanging wires which carry the load of the whole system should be attached to the sealing anchors. The upper Knauf CD channels are connected to the Knauf hanging wires with the help of Knauf rapid hangers while adjusting the sealing height. The spacings of hanger wires and upper channels are determined according to the load of the system. The intersecting Knauf CD channels, acting as main and furring channels, are to be connected to each other with Knauf connecting clips. Knauf collared extensions are used for splicing Knauf CD channels across long sealing spans. The furring channel spacing should be either 50 or 60 centimeters. The Knauf gypsum boards should be fixed to the CD channels by using the Knauf drywall screws with a maximum of 20 cm screw spacing. Insulation materials such as rock wool, glass wool or polystyrene can be laid on the suspended sealing system to increase the fire and sound rating of the overall sealing system. The joints formed on the short edges of the Knauf gypsum boards should be staggered. The lighting fixture and ventilation plans should be prepared beforehand so that they do not collide with the system's framing. In locations where the upper Knauf CD channels have to be cut for removal, the system should be reinforced by additional hanger wires. Knauf self-adhesive fiberglass or paper joint tapes are to be applied at the inner corners and joints of the gypsum boards. The first coat of joint treatment should be made with all-purpose Knauf ReadyFix joint compound with a width of 10 cm, embedding the Knauf joint tape. All screw heads should be covered by a coat of Knauf ReadyFix. After waiting for 2 hours, a second coat of joint treatment can be made with Knauf ReadyFix with a width of 20 cm. Once the second coat of joint treatment is settled, a final very thin 30 cm coat of Knauf ReadyFix should be applied on the joints. When the final coat of Knauf ReadyFix is settled, the joint surfaces should be sanded for finishing the application. Final finishing with Knauf ReadyFix helps filling out any cavities located on the boards and reduces the paint consumption rate by providing a very smooth board surface.